Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 19th March 2026, Nifty Index opened positive above 23,600 and inched higher above 23,850 zones. It extended the bull spirit from the previous session and kept the index afloat throughout the session to finally close with gains of around 200 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has started to make higher highs from the last 3 trading sessions, but again, global concerns are on the cards. India VIX was down by 5.4% to 18.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.14. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,400 to 24,300 zones, while immediate range could be in between 23,600 to 24,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,887 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,594 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 14%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,750 for the next bounce towards 23,950 zones, while a hold below the same could see some weakness towards 23,500 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,000 for a bounce towards 56,000 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in some selective stocks, which includes AU Bank, PB Fintech, Swiggy, Vari Energies, Federal Bank, Bharti Airtel, and Paytm. While some weakness could be seen in Sun Pharma, Hindustan Unilever, HDFC Bank, Nestle, Dabur, ICICI Pru Life, and ITC. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.